Hey there! Today we are going to talk about how you can create a blog author inside HubSpot. So guys, inside HubSpot, you can create blog authors on the authors dashboard, or you can go to an individual blog post and there in the settings tab, you can create a blog author. So let's delve into both of these methods in deep. So in order to do this, firstly go to marketing. Now click on website and click on blog. Here, maybe just try and edit a blog post. So this is something which we have in our draft. And here, when you are inside a blog post, click on the settings tab. And here, when you go down, you get an option to change the author of the blog post. And here itself, there is a big option, which is to create a new author. If you click on this, you would be able to create a new author for your blog posts. So for example, I want to create an author in my own name. So that would be the author name. And you will also be able to select the author slug, which is the URL which represents that author. And then maybe you can set an email address for them as well. You can use their HubSpot profile avatar, or you can also upload an avatar image for the author. And you can also add 2 or 3 lines of bio for the respective author, add a website and other relevant details. And finally, when you click on create author, that author would be created. So this was one of the methods on how you can create an author inside HubSpot. And now let's delve further. Now, if you want to change, manage or create new authors from inside the author's dashboard, you can do so easily by going to marketing, then click on website, click on blog. Here, blog post is selected by default. Now click on blog post and then go to authors. Here you will see the name of all of the authors which are present inside the system. You can also add a new author here, and otherwise you can also edit the existing authors that you have. So maybe I want to add a new author. Then the process is similar to the process that we followed before for adding a new author to your HubSpot account. And similarly, you can follow this, and you can also manage the existing authors that you have. So for example, if I want to edit Aditya Nath Jha's profile, which I just created, you can upload an avatar image. You can also write author bio for the same. And then you click on update blog author, and that way your blog author would be updated. And this is how you can create and manage blog authors inside HubSpot. So guys, I hope you learned how you can create a blog author inside HubSpot. It's an easy process. It's slightly different from a HubSpot user in the traditional sense of way, but I hope you understand the difference by now. And in case you are still running into some issues, do let us know in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to assist you in all of that. And in case you are building something awesome of your own, you can reach out to us for a one-on-one consultation call, which is absolutely free via the QR code on the screen in front of you. Or you can click on the link given down below so that you don't miss out on the awesome guidance that we at CTA9 can give you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.